Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. Public blockchain, we envisage many exciting use case scenarios to come based on client requests. Its addition also serves to boost the scope of functionality for our growing NFT and DeFi ecosystems. Stably will shortly release a video tutorial to help guide you through the VOOS minting and redemption process. We will share via our Twitter page once ready. $500,000 VOOS X node holder airdrop. In addition to the community minting event, we wanted to take a moment to extend our gratitude to the most loyal and long-term community members of the Vechain ecosystem, the X nodes. The X nodes have remained a steadfast backbone of the Vechain ecosystem for many years now, and we are eternally grateful. As we enter a phase of rapid growth for blockchain technology, Vechain's position as a global leader in delivering real-world products and services puts it at the center of what's to come. With native protocols such as fee delegation as a service, DAOs that allow X nodes to become gas stations for on-chain projects and users, we believe X nodes will find a special place in this new digital economy. A snapshot of all X nodes will be taken on 14 March, 0 o'clock UTC 0. There are no requisite criteria to receiving the airdrop. Users will receive their VOOS gift during the week commencing 14 March. Trading competitions on Osinex, Vechain and Vechain with VOOS prizes to celebrate the launch of VOOS, beginning week commencing 21 March, a series of 50 and 100-day moving averages. Both of these determine if investors are willing to purchase a digital asset at a lower or higher price, and right now, investors coming into the cryptocurrency seem to want to purchase ADA at low prices. This has put significant selling pressure on the digital asset that continues to shine through today. All short, medium, and long-term indicators have all skewed completely into the selling territory, leaving no room for reprieve. $0. 85 remains an important resistance point for the cryptocurrency at this point, as the ability to not only beat this, but stay above it would see it rally towards testing the $0.9 resistance level. Nevertheless, Cardano is still a long way from going back above $1 given investor sentiment, and the current market being one for the sellers. Credit Suisse Vet launching $200 million crypto risk, and European investment bank Credit Suisse is targeting a $200 million fundraise for a new crypto hedge fund. The Wall Street Vet has joined forces with Felix Zhu and Yemu Zhu to launch CX² Capital, which will deploy strategies in crypto options to help deliver better returns with less volatility, according to Zhang. We can use options in a way that can substantially reduce volatility, Zhang told the block in an interview. Options, a type of derivatives, can be used to speculate on assets, but also are a Wall Street tool to squeeze returns out of an asset's volatility. For instance, strategies like long strangle allow a trader to take advantage of a potential surge in the volatility of an asset. CX² is plotting a way to deliver outsized returns in the market, while dampening the volatility of Bitcoin. In sum, the pitch to investors is that it can reduce the volatility of the underlying market to 30% to 40%, compared to Bitcoin's volatility of more than 80%. The crypto options market has grown by nearly 10x since 2020, according to data compiled by the block. Since the start of 2022, the Bitcoin options market has turned over more than $7 billion across venues ranging from CME Group to Deribit managers to launch funds in the space in the last year or so. Former Fidelity Digital Funds executive Michael Zienemann is also attracting the interest of institutional investors for his crypto fund of funds, Dual Worlds. The source said Neural has an edge in being women-run and minority-owned, a boon to institutional investors looking to diversify their portfolios, plus having the backing of crypto natives. Indeed, more than half of the firm's roster of fund managers come from diverse backgrounds, according to the marketing materials. What's next for Neural? Neural already has its second and third funds on the horizon. The firm is aiming for the second quarter to launch Dawn Fund 1, which is targeting $100 million to make anchor investments with preferred fee terms in emerging managers focused on specific sectors. Also slated for the spring is Halo Fund 1, shooting for $50 million to serve as a companion fund to First Light 1, including co-investments and follow-up opportunities. First Light's starting portfolio includes about 10 investments that are expected to enter the fund with markups on profits, including recently backing the decentralized finance (DeFi) infrastructure startup Curito. April has also invested with Simacruz's Lightshift Capital. The fund's portfolio is earmarked in thirds to established crypto fund managers, emerging funds and token investments, plus direct equity plays. Part of the appeal, according to the marketing materials, getting access to managers who do not accept new investors or small checks. Apple's pitch to managers, as it turns out, includes getting their foot in the door on co-investments. The window to access the best of trading competitions will take place. First, Vechain's native CEX, AustralianX, will host a 2-week event consisting of farming and trading events, with VOOS rewards for participants. Vechain's first X, will hold a 2-week event following AustralianX and Vechain. The latest X to join the fray will follow after that. More details on trading pairs and competition rules will be announced by each respective exchange in due course. VOOS stablecoin launch, the first step of many of course. The launch of the VOOS stablecoin is just the first step on a long path. To ensure a prosperous journey ahead, the Vechain Foundation intends to support community developers with the tools and tech they need to help them thrive in the future. We will soon announce the details of a hackathon designed to help provide a robust developer environment in pursuit of this goal. We also have some additional exciting initiatives underway that we are excited to share. Details will be released in the coming weeks. Vechain Vet, ready for mass adoption with our real-world ready solutions such as toolchain, battle-tested blockchain and chip technologies, close working relationships with certification and auditing giants, plus our establishment of compliance and regulatory standards both in China and Europe. Vechain is positioned as the preeminent blockchain network for the approaching wave of adoption in front of us. The addition of a stablecoin to our capabilities opens up a whole new world of options for the network. We are very excited to witness this next year play. We hope you will join us for the journey. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain end 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.